Plumbing is a very old trade, but modern plumbing as we know it today really got a start. In New York City, there was a convention that was held, a plumbing convention, and a group of plumbers sat around a table and devised a method of bringing plumbing inside. Prior to that, it had been brought inside, but it was just intolerable to live with. Plus, the safety aspects of it was just unbearable. So they devised a system of vents and drains that allowed the water to escape your house, and they created these water seals, and that is the basis for what plumbing is that we know today is based upon. And the South was actually very slow to get into plumbing. I'd say that the concepts really started around the 1870s, and part of the North and Northeast began getting plumbing at that time, but really indoor plumbing as we know it today didn't really hit the South until after World War II. And at that time, people had disposable income for the first time, and all the products that had been developed as a result of the war created the opportunity for people to improve their lives by having indoor plumbing and water running in through their faucets, light coming out of their light bulbs. None of that really occurred in the rural South until after World War II.
Providing the best professional plumbing service with the best products at the best price with unparalleled customer service. See for yourself, Sundial Plumbing is a different kind of plumbing company.